Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn creating a first page with CSS style. So for this, as a beginner, I'm going to initiating a project, and from that we are going to starting how to creating a new page of HTML and writing CSS style code to applying HTML form tags. How these are the things are happen one by one, we'll see now. So let quickly, I'm going to creating a new folder. It's project folder CSS tutorial. CSS tutorial I'm created. One directory I have created. This is the project. You may assume that CSS tutorial, or you may call it as CSS project. Yeah, CSS project we take it. Okay, so now what we need to do, earlier lecture I have shown you how to install Sublime Text Editor. So open the Sublime Text Editor by pressing start button, or you may find here Sublime Text Editor. So or else you may type here to search, so when you type sub, just simply alphabetical order sub, see the first line, it is you are getting like a Sublime Text Editor software app, it is displaying. So click on here, or else here also to open this Sublime Text Editor. So this is opened here. Now what I am trying to doing, I'm creating a simple HTML form, which is welcome.html form. Let's see why, because like we are going to applying these styles to HTML form tags only to learn easily. Once you understood how to apply these elements to applying of the CSS, you will be write a great and vast program and style implementations. So let's see, file, new file. So this file is untitled. I have to save this file as HTML. So let's see here, by pressing file, save. When you press save, it will ask you where to save this file. So in desktop, in the left folder frame, it is in desktop, it will be showing here my CSS project folder is there. So find where you created this project folder, there you have to go and open the folder. Open the folder or select, and we are trying to creating this file inside the folder. Alright, so now I'm giving a name is welcome.html, welcome.html, and click save. So now see, welcome.html file is here. And now what I'm trying to doing, just I'm creating a basic structure of HTML code. For that, in Sublime Text Editor will help me also. How simply it is, let's see. Shift plus less than or type less than and type HT. See, these are the tags are by defaultly it is coming with the help of Sublime Text Editor. I'm not added anything here. See, if I added here H, what are the tags are available inside using starting H? These all are displaying by default with the help of Sublime Text Editor. So having this, I'm typing HT, and now see HTML by pressing computer tab key from your keyboard. When I press tab, you will get a basic structure of HTML code. So HTML page is require this basic structure. Yes, I'm getting here happily. So now this page, how it is running, just I'm putting title like welcome here, and inside the body we can write anything. We may write like h1 tag. Yes, it's not head, sorry. So h1 tag I'll taking, and the like ch1 by pressing tab. This is h1 tag from HTML. So this is one basic HTML page I am creating. Let's see, by running this, you need to right click, open in browser. Open in browser. You will get an output on browser page. If it is not open, what you do, you have to go to your folder of CSS project. There you may find like welcome. Right click on the welcome, open with like a convenient browser, which is a browser is available in your computer system, or if you are using Google Chrome, you will get a great experience in Google Chrome, which is supports all the latest facilities and features which are available in latest CSS as well as HTML5 code, all the features. So accordingly you use the browser, or which is a familiar and updated version which is already available in your system. Yes, you may apply the same one also. So here you may observe this is h1 tag from HTML, what we have written here in h1 tag. So for this, a basic first page, how we are going to applying this CSS style, let's see, very keenly observe here. So after the title, inside the head tag, see after the title, inside the head tag, these are the HTML open tag and closing tag, and this is the head open tag and head tag, like a closing head tag, and this is the body tag, open and close, vice versa. So here you may observe like these open and close tags of body, what we are going to be writing something information is going to be displaying it to the browser output, like outside. See, if I run this page, what we are seeing, there is a no tags, only this h1 tag HTML text only we are able to see. Browser will understand the HTML hypertext markup language, all the tags less than, greater than, all will be ignored, only processed and run by the HTML, and it will be presents a code of like the text which is written inside. So here very clearly I'm writing inside the head, we have to write the styles. Okay, inside the head we need to write the style. So here you may write like a style, yes, this one, and type text. Type is an attribute. For this is text oblique CSS we have to declare, then only the browser will understand what it is written inside these style tags. Okay, this style tag, open and closing tag, inside what I am writing, very simple. For applying of body, open and end parenthesis, I told you earlier syntax lecture also. So here open and end curly braces I have added here. So here see saving. So the body is by defaultly how it is displaying, it's a plain white color only it is displaying. So now let's see, I am applying a property with a value of background color. See, in Sublime Text Editor you have all the features which are available, which CSS is supporting, all the most of the properties are displaying by default itself. That will help you in Sublime Text Editor. So when you type something which you know the property name, it will be help you. What are the names which are starting with this keyword? How simple and how easy to write and learning the things. You need not to memorize all the things. If you know the name of the property, it's a starting letters. Yes, rest of the things you will get here. See, I want to select this one. So here I am giving like yellow is required for background. Yes, yellow color I am writing here. So save this. For the body tag, straight away I am writing this CSS within a style tag. Let's see. If I go to browser and refresh, wow, what a beauty. The black color is applied here. How simple it is. I told you what we have written inside the body, the text only will be displayed. For this body, we are applying a style, which is a background property, like background color property, which is yellow. If you want to change red, cyan, rest of the colors which you interested, yes, you may apply there. I hope it is very easy and very simple. So h1 tag is here. For the h1 tag, let's see, like by writing the tag name, that's it. By writing the tag name, you go over here. For this, like color of this text h1 tag text, we may put like red. We'll see, just for an example, look and feel a good color. It may be like opposite to yellow, and red we see. And text alignment, I am putting one more property. Let's see first this property is going to be applying or not. For this h1 means it is going to be applied for h1 tag. What we have written inside the block of this h1 all will be applied to the h1 tag only. h1 tag only. So save this and refresh. So text is changed to red. You may observe here. So I'm trying to like I need to be this alignment into center. For this, how I am doing? Let's see. Like text, one more property, text align center. Save this. Particularly you have to save it. Then you come back to the browser, refresh. Wow, awesomely we are getting an output. Text is centered. This h1 tag from HTML, two properties we have added, like two attributes as well as two properties with the values we are applied for h1 tag. One is text color and text alignment. For the body we applied for yellow. So this way is a initiating and a real-time code challenge to applying of your like a CSS code to HTML tags. Very beginning step, you need to understand how the CSS is going to be applying to HTML tags. So I hope it's very clear. I will suggest you to practice very simple and basic steps here, how we practiced. With this help, we are going to be increasing step by step how the independent components are going to be applying, and styles are more styles, and making beautification, how we are trying to getting independently component wise we are going to be learning. So be ready, we are jumping into next lecture. Thank you.